All right, a few years back, me and the Jones boys made a movie called Bad Asphalt, and it heavily featured me and my NX 250. Afterwards, I moved to Austin, Texas. It was a few years later before I could bring it down again, and by then the fork seals had gone bad. Then before I could fix that, the caliper started leaking. The pads needed to be replaced anyways, and the master cylinder, it needed a rebuild. So here's the rebuild of the master cylinder.
No, that's fine.
Oh, grabs your hammer and just starts beating it. Oh. There we go. Oh, okay. There's the bushing. Do you have some, what's it called, pliers? You gotta be f***ing kidding me. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh. Trying to clean this thing out. It's hard to see in there, but there's I think just a washer that's holding it in, but it's fused to the housing. And I'm trying to clean it off well enough. Luke, what are you doing? Oh, what the f, dude?
But it has to. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. God damn. Just a tug of war.
Yeah, I don't want to pull on it too hard.
I mean, there's nothing to break, I don't think. I mean, if I have to buy new housing, I gotta buy new housing. This one's so f***ing dirty anyways. Good. Ah. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, well, we gotta figure out something else for that.
See how this has one here?
This.
Yeah.
Okay. That got it. Now the spring, the little end has to go on that part. And then the washer. And then that snapper. And then this rubber boot goes this way. Yeah, see it has to go over that and like kind of lock into that. I believe that's got it. Okay, we're just gonna
put this back together for now.
Do you have anything to tighten it?
Feels pretty good.
Sweet.
It's hard to do.
That's it for this video. On the next video, we're going to be working on the calipers.